Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. सो मेरा आज का वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं अपने लास्ट वीडियो के बारे में कुछ बात करना चाहूँगी। तो लास्ट वाला मेरा जो वीडियो था वो एक ओडिया गाना था मेरे सबसे पसंदीदा सिंगर श्री अक्षय महांती जी का। आई जस्ट फेल्ट रियली अपसेट कि ज़्यादा लाइक्स या व्यूज़ नहीं आए उस गाने में, क्योंकि मे बी मेरे जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो ज़्यादा ओडिया लोग नहीं हैं, इसलिए शायद नहीं आए। बट आई वॉज अ लिटिल टेकन अ बैक, बट फिर इट्स ओके, कुछ कुछ होता है अच्छा, कुछ कुछ नहीं होता है। बट एंड ऑल्सो आई एम आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, जिसकी वजह से मेरे गाने में थोड़े से प्रॉब्लम हो रहे हैं। बट या इट्स रियली गुड दैट सबको ये सब चीज़ें जो है पसंद आती हैं, किसी को नहीं आती हैं, सो इट्स ओके। बट या आई फेल्ट लिटिल सैड अबाउट इट। तो या इट्स ओके एंड वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड एज दे से द शो मस्ट गो ऑन। सो आज का जो वीडियो है वो बेसिकली एक मेकअप एसेंशियल्स का वीडियो है, और साथ ही साथ आई विल शो हाउ आई डू माई मेकअप नॉर्मली व्हेन आई एम आउट फॉर वेकेशंस एंड ऑल। वेरी लाइट डे अप्रोप्रिएट एंड नाइट अप्रोप्रिएट मेकअप आप यू कैन रीवैम्प। सो आई विल शो यू बोथ द ऑप्शंस। तो जो चीज़ें हैं वो इन दोनों पाउचेस में हैं। ये पाउचेस आई गॉट देम फ्रॉम आई गेस अमेज़ॉन से मिले हैं मुझे ये पाउचेस। आई विल लिंक इट डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। आई कैरी अ वेरी फ्यू ब्रशेस, एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर फॉर माई कॉन्टोरिंग अगर करना चाहूँ तो, या फिर कंसीलर एंड फाउंडेशन, एक ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश, एक आईलाइनर डालने के लिए एक ब्रश, और एक अगर मुझे रिवैम्प करना है मेरी आँखों को और मुझे थोड़ा ग्लिटर वगैरह डालना है उसके लिए एक फ्लैट ब्रश। तो ये तीनों ब्रश बेसिकली मेरा सब में यूज़ हो जाता है जो भी मुझे चाहिए। सो दीज आर द ब्रशेस एंड जैसे जैसे मैं मेकअप करती जाऊंगी वैसे वैसे मैं आपको अपने एसेंशियल्स दिखाती जाऊंगी, एंड स्क्रीन पे कहीं मैं डाल दूंगी उसके प्राइजेस एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स। सो मुझे ऐसे जैसे शुगर के ये दो पैलेट्स हैं। एक है द कॉन्टूर डी फोर्स फेस पैलेट। इसमें यू गेट अ ब्लश, यू गेट एन हाईलाइटर, यू गेट अ ब्रोंजर, और कंटूर जो लोग करते हैं उनके लिए कॉन्टूर का एक शेड। एंड दूसरा जो है एक हाइलाइटर पैलेट है। यू गेट 3 shades ऑफ हाइलाइटर हियर इफ़ द कैमरा पिक्स, या यू गेट 3 shades ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल शेड्स ऑफ हाइलाइटर। तो मुझे ऐसे पैलेट यूज़ करने पसंद आते हैं क्योंकि मैं उसके साथ अपना आई मेकअप भी कर सकती हूँ विद दीज प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली। सो या वी विल बिगिन। द फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, अ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर or a good sunscreen is very important if you're going for beaches or places where it is a little hot. Even like that also sunscreen is very important. For me sunscreen doesn't work because, as I have already mentioned about the skin condition that I have, the redness around my face, sunscreen doesn't work. It oxidizes and make it even more red. तो I use a very very mild moisturizer, चाहे वो निविया का हो, एक फ्रूट मॉइस्चराइजर आता है, या फिर I use the Johnson baby oil. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put some Johnson baby oil all over my face. I'll just take out my bindi. Yeah, all over my face and my neck also. I lather a good, a generous amount of it on my face, and I give it a good massage in upward direction. हमेशा मसाज अगर करते हैं तो upward direction पे ही मसाज करें so that face doesn't fall. The next thing that I do is I use a serum, mostly the NY Base Skin Fident Shining as Sitcom Star Face Serum. It's a mouthful, with salicylic acid. So salicylic acid work really well for the skin when you are out or when you are having problems like sunburn and all these things. It really helps. So what I do is I take a few drops on my palm with my fingers. I just warm it up and then I don't rub it, rather I just try to tap it all around my face and neck. So salicylic acid works very good for me. So मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है salicylic acid and मुझे बहुत useful लगता है. Let it sink in your skin for a few minutes, and then what you do is you take a primer. For me, the Sugar Most Eligible Smoothing Primer works really well when I'm out. So with my fingers, I just take a little bit and put it all around my face. And then I just give it a rub. Okay, so the next step that I do is I do carry a foundation with me. This is the Sugar Ace of Stick foundation. My number is 32 Cortado. So I do carry, but I don't like using a lot of foundation while I'm traveling. So what I do is I take my beauty blender, dampen it a little bit, and then I put some setting spray all over it, so that when I use it, it will lock all the moisture and it will apply in a better thing. So what I use is I use a concealer in place of my foundation. So I use this Makeup Obsession Live Love London. My shade is Banana 122 Cream. So it's a cream foundation basically, cream concealer basically. So what I do is I take it and place it around my eyes mostly. And if I want, little bit on my face, because concealers are a little variable in terms of it is not heavy on the skin. So what I do is I take the concealer and put it all over my face. Very little concealer, because you don't want to feel heavy on your skin while traveling. So what you do is you take this and just lock it all in on your skin. So that's that. And what I do next is I take a compact powder. In this case I'm using the Blue Heaven Burley Compact. The number is, I'll let you, Natural. The shade is Natural. It's like a banana powder color. So I take the puff and I just dab it all over my skin. So basically I don't like to be heavy on my face while I am out vacationing, and so I use concealer rather than foundation. And if I had to go to a party, or if it's a night out or it's some wedding or stuff, I use the foundation in that case. So I take the beauty blender again and dampen. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को पूरी तरह से मैं अपने चेहरे पे एक बार और डैब कर रही हूँ, इंक्लूडिंग माई नेक. So this locks in the moisture that's there in your face. And then what I do is, before applying anything else, I take my setting spray and I spray it all over my face. So so the next step that I am going to do are my eyes. So for that I'll just sharpen always keep a sharpener handy because you don't know when you need to sharpen your pencils, eye pencils and stuff. So what I do is for eyes, usse pehle I have forgotten a step, very important, the lip balm. So this is the Wadi blueberry lip balm. It's a little purple in color, but it's very good and very the fragrance is very, very nice. It's just smells like blueberry. So what I do is I don't carry any eyeshadow palette. Rather, I use the palettes that I have. Say for example, the face palette from Sugar, or if I carry a blush, in that case I use the blush. So I take the blush and in a fluffy blending brush and I put it all over my lids. I put it all over my lids. So for me there is no rules of makeup. If I want, बोलते हैं कि डे टाइम में आपको ज़्यादा ब्राइट या स्मोकी आइज इस तरह से नहीं करना चाहिए, बट देयर इज़ नो रूल्स फॉर मी. आई लाइक doing smoky eyes during daytime also. So I take it and I put it all over my eyelids, all over. No crease को define कर रहा, nothing. I just take it and build the color until I like the color on my eyelids, or until both of them look similar. So right now both of them looks really similar. So what I do next is I take a flat brush, I spray some setting spray onto it. I keep these kind of cotton pads all the time while traveling. I just take out the excess and then I take this highlighter shade from my Sugar palette. And I place it right in the center. I place it right in the center. जहाँ आपका आई बॉल्स है उसी जगह पे आपको ये प्लेस करना है. जितना ज़्यादा आपको इंटेंसिटी चाहिए आप उतना अच्छे से इसको प्लेस कर सकते हैं. जितना इंटेंसिटी आपको चाहिए फॉर योर ग्लिटर्स यू कैन डू इट. आई लाइक इट थोड़ा ज़्यादा, मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ग्लिटरी आइज पसंद है. सो या, and then I again take my blending brush, take the same blush from Blue Heaven and I blend it all in. So that seamless lage, koi lines na ho. This is my eyeshadow. With the same flat shader brush I take that same shade of highlighter and I define my eyebrow bones, जिसको हम brow bones बोलते हैं. I always like to do my eyebrow थोड़ा after I finish my eyeshadow because then मुझे definition मिल जाता है कि मुझे अपना eyebrow किस तरह से करना है. Mostly मैं अपना eyebrows बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं भरती हूँ because I have got a thick eyebrow. थोड़ा मैं बस I just fill in the sparse area and थोड़ा extend करती हूँ so that my eye looks a little bigger. So this is the eye makeup, whole eye makeup, and that's it. And I'll move to the next step, that is my eyebrow. So मैं basically Sugar का eyebrow pencil use करती हूँ, the one with the spoolie. But traveling में मैं normal eyebrows लेती हूँ. I am not fussy about my eyebrows that much, but I just take it and I extend it a little bit, like so. So any flaws or anything, I just erase it, and then I take my concealer with the same flat shader brush. I have already wiped the glitters off. I take the concealer and the top portion of my eyes, अगर मुझे लगता है कि कोई गड़बड़ है, then I just mend the eyebrows very little, and then I take my puff again and take my compact. I just put on it. So that's that. The next step to my eyebrow is my liner. So I always carry 2 to 3 liners in different colors, but the most importantly, I carry a blue and I carry a black micro liner, the liner pen, the felt tip pen for liners, and a kajal. This kajal is from LA Colors. This is a very pigmented kajal. So I will use the black one today. I'll not use the micro liner, but I'll use this. I'll just line it very little. I'll just line it very little. I'll just थोड़ा सा मैं उसको पुल करूँगी अपने आँखों को, so that it defines spaces, gaps ना रहे. This is that, and the next eye. This is very pigmented, but the only problem with this one is कि ये glitter के ऊपर नहीं लगता है. I'll extend a little in the inner corner and then in the outer corner. क्योंकि मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा है the pigmentation of the black in it, I'll take my micro liner. This is from Dazzler, ITEX Dazzler eyeliner, and I will run it over the liner that I have put. To make it stark black. That's it for the liner. The next thing that I do is I take a white kajal pencil and I fill in my lower waterline. That's a very creamy white eyeliner. It's from Wet n Wild. Yeah, it's from, I don't know, it's from, I guess, You Are Always White. It is from Wet n Wild. It is very creamy. I do like to put a white because it just opens up real well. The next thing that I do is I take my blending brush that I have, I dip it in that same blush and I define my lower waterline. क्योंकि आप ऐसा लोअर वाटरलाइन को खाली छोड़ेंगे तो आपको नहीं अच्छा दिखता है. सो लोअर वाटरलाइन पे जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कलर के लिए you can just take that blending brush and just put it. You can see the color, the purple. Yeah. So the next step that I do is I take the same flat shader brush and I take the same highlighter and I put it in my inner corners. To open up my eyes even better. The next step that I do is mascara. This is from Sugar, Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara. Basically I don't use curlers, eyelash curlers, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई लैश थोड़े से डैमेज हो जाते हैं इफ़ यू यूज़ आई लैश कलर्स. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़ आई यूज़ ओनली मस्कारा and a little bit on the lower lash line to even out. There you go. My eyes are done. The next step is a little bit of blush. So I either put blush with the beauty blender that I have, or I use the cotton ball that I have. I just dip it and I smile. And here you go. Because my face is round, I don't put blush over here. I do a vertical line parallel to my chin, and I take it to my temples. This is a trick that I recently learned, not to put blush only in this place if you have a round face. So very little blush. My most favorite part, highlighter. Either I use the highlighter palette that I have from Sugar, or I take my highlighting stick from Sugar again. The color is Bronze Bellwether. I take it and I swipe it across. Can you see? Can you see the glitter? I put some on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, some on my forehead, chin, and cupid bow. My face, my eyes, and everything is done. Now to the most important part, lipstick. So before putting the lipstick, I wipe away the lip balm. Take the setting spray, spray it one time, let it all sink in. So if you're going in the daytime, I would prefer using a very nude shade. This is from LA Colors Matte, and the shade is Matte Caramel Cream. So if you feel your face is a little down, or a face is not looking as bright, you can take a red or a pink or anything with a brush. And just and top it up. So it remains subdued also, and it just looks a little brighter. So this is the day look. If you're going out at night, I'll again wipe the lipstick to show you. I take my flat shader brush again, dip it in the eyeshadow, and I retouch my eyeshadow, the glitter one. If I want, I can do a blue over the black to make it a navy color, or I leave the black by that. I have two lipstick shades, one from NY Bay, the Shakti Mohan edition. This is the limited edition one, and I have the Color Bar Hot 01 red. So whatever color you want, I am putting this Shakti Mohan one. So this is the first color, the purple. रात में अगर आप बाहर जाते हैं, you're wearing a nice dress or jeans, whatever, you just the purple just makes your face really bright. So I think you put this. I'll again wipe it. Or my favorite, or always favorite, the red. This is from Color Bar. Here you go, the red. I add my bindi. I always like to put a little bit of bindi to just Indian touch. So here you go. This is the end of my makeup look. The travel way, the way I travel very with minimum makeup and multi-use makeup. बहुत ज़्यादा सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स ना लेके मैं मल्टी यूज़ मेकअप यूज़ करना प्रेफर करती हूँ, बिकॉज देन इट हेल्प्स टू आपका लगेज भी कम, वेट भी आपका थोड़ा लगेज का कम हो जाएगा. उसके अलावा आपको मल्टी यूज़ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑलवेज गुड. आप कहीं भी आप अपने बैग में भी ये पाउच डाल के लेके जा सकते हैं, सो दैट आपको दूसरे आपको रीटच करना हो, अगर आप नहीं आ पा रहे हैं वापस टू योर होटल रूम एंड यू वांट टू रीटच योर मेकअप, यू कैन डू इट. So after doing my makeup, after going before going out, not after, the one thing that I put is my Anticipate from Amway. This is a brilliant perfume. Never rub your perfume. Put it in both your hands, your veins, and don't rub it off. If you want your perfume to last long, put a little Vaseline or a lip balm and then put your perfumes. It smells amazing. So yeah, here you go. See the highlighter? Amazing. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you all like this video. I hope you will give love to this video and not disappoint me the way you did it in my last video. I was very upset. I'm still upset because that's a tribute and I wanted it to just reach a good amount of views. But yeah, it's okay. Please give love, share this video, like, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video on Sunday. So God bless you and thank you. Lots of love.